I'm thinking now of like, all the folks in the audience, and there are probably some, if they're still with us, who are like, this doesn't apply to me,
Sure.
So like, what kind of folks do you have coming? Well, maybe they don't come through your doors, but folks who think, well, I'm not developing, a bionic leg or, a new type of paint thinner or, something that's very technical. So I don't really need to worry about that. So we covered the logos.
You use one of my favorite tricks. I'll ask everybody, and I know y'all, seriously, I'm a shyster.
Is it the bionic leg trick?
It is the bionic leg trick. Thank you. You knew that. Jenna Steele's coming. She used to be a punter for Clemson. But, God, they need them. But the Gamecock fans, they're like, yeah. But, no, great question, though, because I ask everybody, hey, who in here owns IP? And out in a big room, you'd be shocked how many hands just stay down. If you have a nascent company, you already own IP. And that right there is a critical wedge to know. Your trade secrets are there instantly. And by trade secrets, I mean, what's your expansion plan? How do you get your goods? What's going to be your logo? If it's not been filed yet, it's still a trade secret. Same concept for any of these folks who are like, hey, I'm going to do a business. I'm going to go out there. Y'all, this IP is a day zero concept.
So you're saying even before you file, like register your business with the state?
Yep.
Really?
Absolutely. Because think about it. You don't file for the state until you've already done some permutations of, hey, I want to be, what's that name? Hello Anarchy? Nah. Hello Forest Fire? No.
So like the
Hello
business
Chaos.
plan stage.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
The business plan stage or post-it note stage of
Post-it
I
note
have
stage,
a,
really.
okay.
Because y'all got to remember, trademarks are being filed every day. Like the thing I did today was I went through 4 different marks from one examiner dealing for different marks for a client. And when you look at them, trademarks are continuously filed. Every day there are new marks filed. And the U.S. is a popular place to file because we're the biggest market on earth. So, and I'm not telling you do it instantly. I'm not saying do it before you're ready. But if you know that you're going to be Hello Chaos, you need to look at that trademark then. You don't need to
Before
wait.
logo, like you're talking
Absolutely.
about register the name, like
Absolutely.
register the name, then you can deal with the logo.
Because y'all, a beautiful thing about y'all's logo is, we could just register the mark Hello Chaos, just block letters, no specific stylization. Y'all are protected. You throw a microphone on the side of it, no big deal. You throw a crazy man on this end of it, no big deal.
We just did.
Yeah. See, absolutely. Thank you. I like this. But same diff, though, is that you've now got the words protected. If you do a little stylization change to it now, if you make it Hello Anarchy, we'll have to look at that one. But you do want that. And a lot of people just don't get it because, they have that same misconception of, well, I'm a baby business. I don't have any IP. You have IP the second you think about being a baby business. Whatever you think your market plan is going to be, like, not everybody has a KFC secret formula or a Coca-Cola recipe, but you've got a way of doing business. And that's where a trademark finds its value is, you guys don't go and explain, hey, how do we create the Hello Chaos podcast? What's our outlook here? What's our market expansion plan? Because those are your trade secrets.
Right.
Whether we've labeled them that or not, it's exactly what they are. And so for a lot of companies, they just don't appreciate, they think, oh, IP's this big grandiose thing that belongs to Michelin and Beamer.
Yeah.
Not at all. It belongs to mom and pop. Because remember, in the U.S., small businesses is our lifeblood. The big businesses are, while they're large and they get more attention, they're the exception, not the rule.
Right.
It is the lifeblood of America, our entrepreneurs. And it's best if we know, hey, you are playing with these grandiose concepts the second you start thinking about it.
Because they so a bigger company could go, I like this idea.
Yeah.
And come in and go and knock the small guy out.
Yeah.
To listen to the podcast, go to hellochaospodcast.com or wherever you like to listen or watch your favorite podcast.